Are you struggling to stand out in today's competitive social media landscape? The digital world demands constant engagement, but achieving it can be costly and time-consuming. Discover nsboostbd.com, your ultimate solution for affordable SMM services in Bangladesh for 2026. What exactly is a cheap SMM panel? It's an online platform offering various social media marketing services. From Instagram followers to YouTube views, TikTok likes, and Facebook engagement, all in one place. We provide budget-friendly options for individuals and businesses across Bangladesh, and sboostbd.com offers unbeatable prices, perfect for students, startups, and freelancers. Our services are also ideal for resellers and agencies looking to maximize their profits. Experience lightning-fast order processing. Most services start instantly or within minutes. Your data and transactions are always safe with our secure and trusted platform. We offer targeted services for Bangladesh and global audiences, expanding your reach. Our dedicated 24/7 customer support team is always here to assist you. Boost your Instagram presence with followers, likes, comments, and reel views. Gain TikTok followers, video views, likes, and shares to go viral. Grow your YouTube channel with subscribers, watch hours, and video views. Enhance your Facebook presence with page likes, post engagement, and video views. Increase your X Twitter followers, retweets, and likes effortlessly. Who benefits from nsboostbd.com? Influencers, local businesses, and e-commerce stores. YouTubers, TikTok creators, marketing agencies, and SMM resellers all achieve fast growth at low cost. Placing an order is simple. First, register an account on nsboostbd.com. Then, add funds using convenient options like Bcash, Rocket, or Nagad. Select your desired service, enter your social media link, and place your order. nsboostbd.com is fast, secure, and affordable. Your social media growth starts here. Visit nsboostbd.com today and start growing your social media presence.